Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am trying on and giving my little mini review of the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydra Foundation. And I received this from DD5 on our last box swap. I'll have that at an end card and at the in the description box below if you're interested in seeing that. Yeah, let's get on to this. I did try it on, and I am going to put in clips of me trying it on. I have tried this, I would say 4 or 5 times since I received it in our box swap that we did. But yeah, this is the Smashbox Skin 24-Hour Oil-Free Hydra Foundation, and it is rated 4.3 stars on Ulta's website, and it is going for $43. I have the shade in 2.0 light warm. I would like it's pretty much a perfect match, as you can tell of me trying it on, but I would love to try out the 2.12 light with neutral undertone, because if I had to pick a criticism, I would say it was a little warm for me, but I think that this is the perfect match. But I would like to try the 2.12. The pros about this, it does blend well. It is kind of hard to work with though. I found that it works best if I, pretty much do it by hand or with my fingers. And I kind of tap it out a little bit, but then I go in with the sponge to blend it out, just for, to take the excess off and to make sure I didn't have any streaks. But yeah, it is long lasting, and I've worked with a mask on through an 11-hour shift, and when I get home, I don't really notice oh my gosh, I look like a patchy mess. So when it does wear off, it wears off good, but I don't really notice it wearing off. So, but to be honest, I don't really check myself out too much, because I wear a mask the whole time I'm at work, because my immune system sucks. So I wear a mask and gloves all the time at work now, because I can't afford to be missing 3 weeks of work just because someone sneezes on me. And it won't even be corona. It just be a cold, basically, that just won't go away. Anyway, it goes on kind of smoothly, not too much. It is a little bit harder to work with, so I wouldn't call this pros. I should have put this under cons. But it is lightweight. I will say that. It is lightweight. Cons, it is pricey. Like I said, it's $43. And to be honest, I have a lot of favorite foundations that's in my collection already that I like more than this. Not to say I won't. I'm going to use it up. Believe me, I'm going to be re-wearing it on a daily basis. But I do have more affordable options and better options. I know this ain't an affordable option, but I do like it more. The Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Foundation, I would say, is better for my normal skin. The Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation, drugstore, also I think is a better choice. And the Oma, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Beauty Flawless IRL Skin Perfecting Foundation. I think that one is a better option too. But I am going to use it up. I don't really think it's worth the price, but I'm going to use it up. I wouldn't really recommend this foundation, just because I feel like you can get a lot affordable of foundations for better price. That's better quality. Mostly because it has a light to medium coverage, because you can still see spots on my face. And it is kind of harder to put on. Just, it takes a little bit longer. I did use it with a brush one time, and the brush just soaked it all up. I didn't really use a sponge because I could already tell it was a light coverage to medium coverage foundation. So normally, I mean, I think it works best with my fingers and then just making sure it's flawless with a sponge afterwards. But yeah, best uses, it's light to medium coverage. Just keep that in mind, light to medium, not medium to full. And like I said, I have normal skin, a normal skin type. I'm not too oily, I'm not too dry as of right now. I don't have any dry patches. And like when I wear my mask at work, I sweat, but I don't have oil coming through to break it down. So just keep that in mind. Like I said, I really wouldn't recommend this foundation, but I don't know. I like the HD one better. I would say go with the HD over this one. At least I did in the past. I don't know about now, but it did better on me today because I think I'm more hydrated than I was yesterday when I wore it. Because I could see fine lines like right after applying it. Yesterday after applying it, but yeah. If I had to give it a rating, I would say 3 stars, me personally. But it is 4.3 on Ulta's website. Just go in there, check out their reviews too, and see what the bad reviews say and what the good ones say, and use your own judgment. I just personally wouldn't recommend it. But I did want this, and this was on my wish list, so I am glad that Ida DD5 sent it to me on our last box swap so I could check it out, because that's the fun part about, you know, playing with makeup, is see what works and what doesn't, and you know, what you can do with it. Just play with it. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies on the next video. Bye.